Alright, let's solder on some USB ports. Flux it up. Alright, let's tack this down. Let's see. A little bit of solder there. Tack this pin down. Alright. Straighten it out a little bit. More flux. You never have too much flux. Fill the cup. Fill this cup up with some solder. And sweep it across. There we go. A little flux because these two pins on the left are sticking. And there we go. And just the back side here. Final inspection. Let's touch up these two pins a bit. And looking through the microscope here, it's all good. Next, same thing. Flux. Solder up, add some solder to a pin. Tack down that first pin. This is not quite the first. This is actually the second pin from the right, because the first pin is the ground pin. And since the ground pin is connected to the ground plane, it takes a little bit more heat to add solder to, so it's a little bit easier to do something that's not connected to the ground plane to tack down. Now we're just gonna do the rest of these pins. Alright, looks good. Back side. Alright, inspect that. Let's take a look. Looks good. Next. Flux. Tack down the pin. Alright, first pin in place. No flux. I'm saying flux mainly to the USB port pins, since the PCB already has the pins filled with flux. Add some more flux to the cup here and run it across. There we go. These two pins right here on the top left are a little bit stuck together. I just add a little bit of flux. Clear it up a bit. Let's see, yep, all good there. Let's see, a little bit joined in the back here. Oh, there we go. Just run it across, pick up any excess solder that might have been bridging any of the pins with the back side. So those legs in. I mean, I should probably add flux here, but it's pretty good already, as is. Alright, final inspection. Good. Next. So these are, those first two PCBs were Q-Frequency ones. This is a sync. Currently under production, should be done soon. Alright, let's add some solder to that first pin. Put the port on. Solder it down in place. Make sure it's straight. Alright. Head flux. Took a soldering class once, and the instructor basically said you can never have too much flux, and that is pretty much true. You can never add too much. Alright. Looks good. Here we go. Back side. What you might not be able to tell is I am looking through all this through a microscope here, so I can make sure all my joints are good and not bridged. Look at it from this side. Looks good.